What's pop, Pizza Pals? I got this silly funny mod. Lap 3 with the noise. Here we go. This is gonna be crazy, my brother. Are we gonna be peer ranking? Haha, no. Maybe another time. Why is the secret so slow? Hold on, fellas. I just got a text from my mother, so I better check it before I mess something up or something. Okay, anyways, we're good. Hey, what's up, everybody? I honestly, I forgot how fun it was to play with the noise. I'm not quite warmed up because, I was on vacation and I didn't have a computer. I didn't bring it. So I wasn't playing Pizza Tower, so I wasn't really mentally prepared. For the withdrawals of non-pizza playing. I honestly love the spin drill, bro. It's so much fun. It's so good to use. I love it. I don't like it though when you're trying to go down a ladder and it just doesn't let you because you're spinning. I don't like that. That's not fun. But this is spin. Come here. I actually wonder. You think Noise is gonna have a different song for lap 3? Anyways, listen. I won't be mad if I don't P-rank it. Listen, I'm gonna try to P-rank it. I think I'm gonna try it. But I'm not gonna, like, restart if I don't. I'm just gonna play the level. I'm just trying to P-rank it for fun, for the extra challenge. Because who knows how this mod works. I don't know if there's even checkpoints, so... I've never played this mod. I'm just trying it now on camera for y'all. Because I just got it working. Look like this. Let's go. Okay, we're good. We cannot have that happen. Please? They ain't ready for this. Pizza Face ain't ready for this. cannoli, ravioli. I'm not here to die, yoli. Please just let me yada yoli. Please let me free from this level. I just want not to die. Here we go, Peppino. Let's fire. Not Peppino, you're the noise. So here we go, my God. Come on, noise, we just got here we go, we'll be so close if we don't go, here we go, no, it's time to go, be free from this level, here we go, go, noise, go, just hurry, no, here we go, we'll be toast if we don't go, here we go, noise, here we go, let's go, we'll be toast if we don't go, here we go, the bro, oh, yeah, to the kids out, yeah, I love this part. My favorite part. Here we go. Where is this? I've never heard this song. It's weird. Oh boy. It's actually kind of good. Here we go. Time for the hard part, boys. Oh my God. Now wait, hold on. Did we just do that first try? Later, idiot. Let's go, bro. It's delayed still. Oh, you still just got a B rank. Okay. Look, there's a little X with pizza face. That's good. This is pretty fun. I enjoyed that. Uh-oh. Ooh, excuse me. Whew. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Well, everybody, if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll be sure to see you guys next time. Goodbye.